Then, in 1899, two lawyers approached the company with a strange idea. They would buy the rights to bottle and distribute Coke, and Coca-Cola could only sell them the concentrate syrup. At first, the company thought it was crazy. Why give away control? But that single decision turned Coca-Cola into one of the most scalable business models in history. Coca-Cola didn't need to build new factories, hire staff, or manage trucks. It simply produces the syrup, sold it to the independent bottlers, and collected profit from every bottle sold anywhere in the world. Here's the secret most people don't realize: Coca Cola makes only the syrup. Every bottle you see in a store is actually produced, bottled, and distributed by someone else. These bottling partners invest billions in factories and trucks, while Coca Cola earns money without touching a single bottle. This is called an asset light model. You own the brand, but others do the heavy lifting. It's like Apple letting someone else make the iPhone while they keep the profit from the logo.